Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Fans might be relieved to know Smith and Townes remain close friends even to this day. In fact, they never really stopped working together either. After DJ Jazzy Jeff and the Fresh Prince stopped releasing new music, Townes collaborated with Smith on his solo albums.
Take our lead.
The two fall deeply in love and are engaged to be married, going so far as the ceremonies twice, but never actually tie the knot. When Lisa and Will cut their second wedding short, Key and Will's mother decide not to let the ceremony go to waste. They get married right then and there.
Let's help you make your mark.
Hubert, best known as the original Aunt Viv, left the sitcom after the first 3 seasons over creative differences. She was promptly replaced by actress Daphne Maxwell Reid the following season without any mention of the recasting. Hubert asked Smith flat out, "I just wanted to know one thing.
Make your mark, take our lead.
DJ Jazzy Jeff net worth. DJ Jazzy Jeff is an American hip-hop and R&B DJ, record producer, songwriter, and actor who has a net worth of $5 million. Born Jeffrey Allen Townes on January 22, 1965, in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, DJ Jazzy Jeff became interested in becoming a DJ at age 10 and began DJing at block parties.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.